Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. My people, now Madam Aproko birthday today. So make the comments start to roll now. Meanwhile, Yele Sowore, now human rights activist for Nigeria, he don't come out now, come give us the latest one where they happen. For now, we don't know. During that Occupy Lekki toll gate wey happen, they detain many people. You understand? Based on say they tell us say they violate COVID-19 rules and regulations. So now those people where they can't detain, government now can't demand 54,000 from each person. Say they go use and do test for them, COVID-19 test. So now they stay there on top that matter because according to government say anybody will not bring that 54,000 they no go release am. So now my people, Lagos State Speaker don't bring himself. We never even finish the settle that one where they arrest some people for Lekki toll gate matter. Lagos State Speaker don't come outside now, come gather multitude of people. If you not see human beings. Only the name of waiting, if they talk, I don't even know the nonsense way they tell them. So now this human rights activists, Yele Sowore, you don't come outside now, come they blast police people because how be say you no go arrest people when they gather like this for crowd because now speaker, politician they talk. But if now youth or citizens una go get fast legs to go arrest people. So I beg, I don't bring una this matter because before I go talk my mouth, I want make una hear. So make una join me, make we watch Lagos State Speaker. Let's watch the video. Obviously, it is very clear. Rich people for Nigeria, they know they keep law. The law is for poor people. If you not say you poor, now you suppose they keep law. They fear what it go happen next because these people, you know they see them. Imagine. Same people will go come outside, they tell us COVID-19 this, COVID-19 that, COVID-20, COVID-21. Now them gather people say they did. I beg, I don't just understand. What we say now only for Nigeria, people no feel lead by example. Seriously, I don't tire. I don't tire. Majority of the people now where even they break the law, now APC members. President Barida, you know they see these people. You know they see them. To you now, you they watch movie, nothing happen. They know they do any bad thing. I beg, when Nigeria want change, when Nigeria want change, when all this headache want remove, I don't tire. No, they look me like that. Oh, make una welcome to Nigeria. This is Nigeria, our country. Nigeria now no get system for rules and regulations. Nigeria no get system where we go say, okay, this one they work properly, this one no they work. Nothing. So now my question be say, wetin una expect? Wetin una dey expect when people will create the system themselves? Now them they even break am. Now them they go against the system where they create. And somebody go stand up tomorrow now, when they tell us say, Nigeria is moving forward, Nigeria is doing how? No, where the forward? Show me the forward. So now the people where this man they talk to, these people now will not just watch, where crowd plenty like that. Did they do COVID-19 test? They no do o. None of them even get test results. But people won't arrest because of Lekki toll gate. Una ask them to do tests. So this ones, why they not bring tests before they gather? Nothing so una dey wise. Every time una want they play on people sense of reasoning. Like say we be small children. This one now police no go see and come arrest. Just like this man talk. Yele. Just like the way he talk am now. Police no go see this one now come arrest them. And he's right. He's right. Because una sabi rush. If na a politician do something now, una go dey do like say una no dey hear word, una no dey see road safe. But make citizen, make youth just say, okay, make person even say they do birthday, or make person just gather something. Una go see how they run with their 1,000 yards uniform, come they arrest people anyhow. I no just understand. I just wish see, I just sometimes if I just sit down they think of this country. I just wish say okay, make a person just come wake me up because I don't want to believe say this thing they happen for real life. I want make it just be saying a dream. All of una wey want kill yourself because of politician. Kill yourself, oh. See, the door is wide open. You are in fact you are free. Kill yourself. See now, they come outside. He say they do meeting. Abi gather people. If you na notice for this video, if you no check am, go back and check am. The speaker himself and other people wey dey behind am, na notice say they wear face mask. But check the crowd now. So they themselves they wear face mask, but they don't make am compulsory for the people wey dey listen to them to wear face mask. Why is it so difficult for human beings to see clear signs? These people no care about una. They no care about una. Okay, make we even assume say the thing we want discuss with una na very serious matter. At least they go provide washing hands with soap and water. They go provide a mask, sanitizer. You understand? See them. They even pack like sardine. We see they shout. We see they shout. We be reasonable people. We see they shout. No election for these people 2023. See them. But some people now they even want to kill themselves for politicians. No, now just watch them for crowd, not be me. So now the question be say, how we want manage, remove these people for 2023 if we know day one? Because now they very obvious. Some people they with politicians, some people we get sense. So now, how we want win this fight? The people we gather there now for that crowd, they be part of problem where we get. And una no go say now. Now when 2023 reach, una go realize say these people they be part of our problem. Because imagine all of us now we decide say okay, we know they vote for anybody where they sit now. But they go vote. They go vote. And they get right to vote for who they want. That's why you not feel remove her for anybody. They get right. So if they decide say na this Mungo Parks they go vote for, what we go do? We not fit do anything. So my people, now don't see the problem where we get. If you know any solution, start the talk now, because me, I don't they hit my head, they find how we go take solve this matter. Because 2023 no foul. Before you know it now, this year don't end. Before you know it now, 2022. You understand? So now we supposed to start the work for the future. And for now, if you know say they watch me when you gather for that video where I just put, hey, see, my Lord will fight for all of us. You understand? Because we no fit dey gather and we not they scatter them. You know they possible. And for this 2023, nobody go spell our work for us. You understand? Very, very important. No to these people. How much they even they give una one and one kill una self for them? I know just I beg now food, una they hungry, I be waiting. My people, I don't know what to do again. I wish I feel use power, do some kind of things, but I no fit. You understand? So the only thing now with me I feel just suggest, now prayer. If you get any other one, drop and then make we work hand in hand. It is very, very important. Because in these people, obviously everybody there on you. So drop your comment for that comment section. It is very, very important because this battle we must win. And make sure say you share this video so that we go know who they with us and who no they with us very on time. And make sure say you click on that notification bell. If not, you go to miss anything when we drop. Stay tuned for our next story.